Jasmine. Jasmine. Jasmine! What are you moping for? Depressed? Not feeling your best? Excuse me? Doesn't it say in Psalms 139:14, I will praise thee, for I am fearfully and wonderfully made? Marvelous are thy works, and that my soul knoweth right well. Girl, stand up. You're weak in the knees. You're not depressed. You just need some self rejuvenation. So go ahead and get those tools and that petty spa ready. And you better not wake up those children.
All right.
Love you, bye.
All right.
It is 7 a.m. Let's see how far I can get into this before my bodyguards wake up. So I start by getting a hot bubble bath ready for my girls. Set yourself up for success by being prepared. Stay ready so you don't get left behind like those women with their oil lamps. If you know, you know. Yes, I am using my baby's chair. Mind the business that pays you. Go ahead and roll up your pants leg like you do at the nail parlor and have a nice soak. I got into the word. I am currently working my way through 1 Samuel. After soaking for about 10 minutes, I'm taking my drill bit to get rid of that dusty, crusty gel polish. Time for the nitty gritty. Wearing gloves, I'm applying this callus remover that I got from Amazon, as well as this cuticle oil that I use as a cuticle remover. I actually made this cuticle oil. I found the instructions on Pinterest. I will make sure to link that below, as well as all the other products that I'm using in this video. After letting that sit for about 2 minutes, I am pushing back my cuticles, getting the gunk from underneath the nail edge, and scrubbing the heel with a pumice stone. Please, for the love of all things good and holy, put away that cheese grater. If you are ever wondering why your pedicures aren't lasting longer than a week, it is most likely because the nail salon is using the cheese grater. That does absolutely nothing but open your skin and leave you vulnerable to possible infections. Now I'm going in with this brown sugar coffee scrub. I also made this. And if you're wondering why it's in a citrus container, let me kindly refer you back to rule number 1, minding the business that pays you. I don't have an abundance of color inventory as of yet. I just have this starter kit that's full of primary and a few of the secondary colors. So I am mixing this purple, pink, and white to get like this dark lavender color. Before we apply that color, I'm going to do a thin layer of builder gel and curing it for the full length of time, which is about 120 seconds. Then I'm going back over with my custom color and curing that as well, followed by the top coat. After everything is fried, dyed, and laid to the side, I am going to finish with some cuticle oil, and you're all set. On the next episode of Jazz's Space. Child, don't you hate it when you get in your own way? Now all that's out the way, let's go ahead and get into these nails. I like to be a blend between a Judges 4 and a Proverbs 31 woman. Let folks know that I can pop off in the way that the Lord would allow me to, but I'm not also just walking around here all, you know.